Welcome to Los Fomos Bar.
Welcome to Los Fomos Diner. What can I get you?
Can I get one Pablo? Spicy Pablo, please.
One Pablo. How do I make a Pablo?
Do you want me to tell you the recipe? To mix the spicy Pablo, we will need rum, ideally spiced and infused, homemade raspberry puree, or anything that you can turn into the puree, any berry, fresh lemon, like sugar syrup, carrot syrup, chili peppers, or flakes. Do you have a shaker?
I don't have a shaker.
Oh, yeah, in that thing.
The mixer thing. And I have some lemon juice that is already
milliliters or OZ thing? Ounces?
Oh, it's CL, so like centiliters.
Something new. Oh no.
Should we start with the raspberry?
I think so.
50 centiliters of raspberry purees. Never had any cocktail with raspberry inside, I think.
It looks really good. Okay, now I have a challenge. Everything that you say that starts with a vowel, you should say spicy after each of these words.
Okay,
so you... Okay, spicy.
Now I'm spicy. Gonna add spicy 25 milliliters of spicy lemon juice. Okay.
Spicy.
Okay, spicy. Okay. Spicy. A spicy bit more. This is spicy. Really difficult.
It makes you think about what you're saying.
Rarely happens otherwise. Spicy. Agave spicy syrup. Now.
It also like makes you think how many times you say okay.
Yeah, I know. I didn't do it correctly. I said I know, and I didn't do it.
You just can have a little shot of rum as a punishment. Or maybe not a rum, maybe just lemon juice.
A small shot of lemon juice, okay. Not bad. 3, 2, 1.
I think it's actually... So you need to add basically the rum and then just flakes of the chili pepper.
That's our Pablo in here.
You can add a little bit of flakes, I guess.
I also have Tabasco, if I need to. How do the mixer, like the mixologist, actually do it? I have exactly one ice cube, which is actually not a cube, it's a ball. So,
oops.
Perfect.
Ooh, perfect. Yeah, let's go to the tasting part.
Okay, so it's really pinkish, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see. It smells really good. It's like really raspberry-ish. Definitely spicy. The chili flakes right now, they're not like shredded completely, so you either have some in your mouth or you don't.
What we also could do is actually when you were doing the raspberry thing, this is when we could add flakes so they would just like open a little bit more. Because now they're just flakes floating somewhere inside.